Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I wanted to bring you guys in the journey on turning this room into a beauty slash office room. Look, as you can see here, I started making it looking like a beauty room, but we used to have guests sleep in there as well. But n- now I want to turn it into a beauty room, office, and like a woman cave, like where I feel like when I come in I can create, enjoy, edit, and do all that. So without further ado, let's get into it. I was just showing you guys the before, what it looks like, but this is the part one. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can stay into the journey.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Oh, yeah. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your
What my kids did, cut this and put it under the little pull out couch that was in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm thinking about changing the color of the room. I don't know what color I'm gonna do it yet, but I really want to do that. So maybe a lighter pink, I don't know, we'll see. Because the desk, I want the desk to be black. So this is, it's like a
olive green right now, like a light olive. And I hate that color. Look. I'm not a big fan. I really like how white it is at the top though, but not this regular color.
All right, so now that the room is cleaned out, I'm gonna go start painting it. I did decide on the color. I did pink, so I'm gonna start doing the trimming color. You guys gonna see that, but the camera died when I was painting, and I did not realize that. And then by the time I was already dirty, I didn't feel like recording it anymore. But I did paint the room by myself, so yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then you guys gonna see that part. But I really wanted to bring you guys to the beginning of the project, that way you guys see what it was before and then what is gonna be after. I by the time I'm posting this video, I already started decorating. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned to see the finished look. You're not gonna regret it, you guys. This room came out so good, and I'm not done yet. I'm not It's not 100% where I want it to be, but I am so grateful that I could do this. And I did this in on a budget, and I'm so happy with what I did, because I didn't spend a lot of money. I have to put all what I spent together so I can give you guys an exact amount. But I'll tell you guys that amount when I show you guys the full view of the office. Right now I'm just closing some holes that we had on the wall before I start painting. So go ahead and finish enjoying.
No sé qué tú ves en mí, mi amor. Ya no dejes de mirarme, que ya me gusta quién soy. Contigo me siento en control. Eres el balance en este mundo poco humor. Se volvió ese chico que habló en mis canciones. Esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico que quería ver otra vez. Y me enamoré a volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme.
Eso eres tortolito, no queda bien, bebé. Mejor de tus amigas diciendo que no ven. Que esto sea duradero, que sea algo sincero. Que un perro no cambia y eso es lo que es él. Pero tú lo viste, mi amor. Tú viste mi mejor versión. Tú hiciste lo que nadie quería. Serías para mis poesías. Siento que tú solo sabes. Chico con par de maldades, pero sincero, verdadero, baby. Secreto que tú solo sabes. Momentos que siento reales. Yo lo prefiero que en un largo tiempo sea tu caballero.
Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme. Se volvió ese chico que habló en mis canciones. Esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico que quería ver otra vez. Y me enamoré a volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme.